guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am just doing a super kind of casual what I eat in a day, and the recipes in this video are just like super typical meals that I make on an average day. As you guys know, I practice intuitive eating, which basically just means I eat what I'm craving all the time. So that's different every day, and that means that my meals are always changing and always different. So I really love just coming up with super random things using what I have in my fridge. So I thought that today I would just kind of bring you along throughout my meals and show you what I am eating in a kind of sort of healthy, I don't really know, I didn't really put too much emphasis or thought on the health aspect. Again, I just kind of like ate what I was craving. So I guess I would just call these kind of sort of healthy meals. They're all plant-based, they're all delicious, all easy, and all of the recipes will be linked in the description box below for you. So that is everything I have to say right now. I really hope you enjoy the video, and let's get into it.
So for this smoothie, I added some vanilla oat milk, bananas, oats, powdered almond butter, a handful of dark chocolate chips, and a good amount of ice. And then I added in some espresso shots and then just blended that up until it was nice and smooth. This is my favorite Instant Pot pasta recipe. It is just some dry pasta, water, marinara sauce, coconut milk, and then just give that a really quick stir. Then I add in some fresh veggies like mushrooms, bok choy, and a bunch of frozen veggies that I had in my freezer. And again, just gave that a quick stir. Then you just put it in the Instant Pot, you seal it, and you set it to 5 minutes. While that was cooking, I just made a super quick salad dressing with some olive oil, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper. Oh, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and just whisked that together, put it on some mixed greens, and tossed it all up. And then when the pasta was done, I just released the pressure and then added some nutritional yeast, and I topped it all with a little bit of vegan cheese and cracked black pepper, and it was just perfect. It's such a nice way to get some extra veggies in, and it tastes absolutely incredible. So I started off by slicing up some little mini potatoes. Then I put them in a baking dish and added some oil. And then I just added a little bit of salt and pepper, tossed them all together, and put it in the oven to bake. So then in a pot, I added some oil and a couple cloves of garlic. And then I also added some cumin seeds, fennel seeds, some coriander, paprika, curry powder, and garam masala. And then I just stirred that up really quick, and then I added in some cashew cream, which is literally just made by blending some cashews with water, and I stirred that all up until it was kind of starting to thicken a little bit. And then I added in the tomato sauce and just stirred that all together. I also realized I forgot to add some turmeric, so I just added that in really quickly. Then I just left that to simmer with a lid, and then after a few minutes I just added in the rest of the frozen veggies that I found in my freezer and stirred that up, and they just kind of defrosted while it was simmering, so super easy. And then at the end I added in some lemon juice, followed by the cooked potatoes, and again just stirred that all together and let it simmer for a few more minutes so that all the flavors had a chance to combine. And then while that was simmering, I just quickly cooked some white rice, and I also added a little bit of spinach. I forgot about that. And then I just served it up. So I just used plain white rice. Obviously also basmati rice would work really well in this. And I also served this with a couple of mini veggie spring rolls. These are just from my grocery store. And that is it. It was such an amazing meal. Topped it off with some fresh black pepper and enjoyed.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so glad that you guys are loving the new coffee shop series. I am so excited for it. I have so many ideas of drink and food pairings, and there's gonna be so many amazing things coming this summer. We're gonna have some ice things, we're gonna have some tea, we're gonna have hot drinks. It's gonna be a little bit of everything. I'm so excited. It's all gonna be vegan, of course. And I also have a very special tidbit for those of you who are still watching right now. There is one more brand new series coming this week. I believe it's starting this week or next week, that is in addition to the coffee shop series. And I am like over the moon excited for this one as well. So I just wanted to let you guys know that there is one more kind of super secret special series coming your way. But thank you so much for watching this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!